Hello everyone, it's about that time. The holidays are approaching and I have some recipes to share with you all. So stay tuned for my holiday recipes.
We are at home cooking with MsBrendaDee. So welcome from MsBrendaDee and her family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a sweetened condensed milk pound cake. This is for my birthday, y'all. Yes, today is my birthday. Yay! And so I decided to share this cake with you all because I've been wanting me a pound cake, and so I decided to make myself one today. Okay, y'all, stay tuned. I'm going to show you just how simple it is. Very, very simple, y'all, to make. So pause this video, grab your pen and paper so you can jot down this recipe. Here I'm showing you our ingredients. Here we have some fresh yard eggs. Thank you, Miss Shay, for the fresh yard eggs. We also have some flour, sugar, butter, sweetened condensed milk, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Okay, y'all, those are our ingredients. So let's get to making our sweetened condensed milk pound cake. Here we're adding in our 2 sticks of butter. This is room temperature. We are using our stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can always use a hand mixer. Now we're adding in our 2.5 cups of sugar. Now we're going to beat our butter and sugar together, and we're going to let it beat for 10 to 12 minutes until it becomes creamy. I'm letting our mixture beat on a speed 7. As your sugar and butter cream, time to time, go back and scrape down your bowl to make sure everything is well incorporated. In this bowl is my 3.5 cups of flour, and I'm adding my baking powder and salt into it. And I'm going to whisk it up to combine my dry ingredients. Okay, my sugar and butter have creamed, and now I'm adding in my sweetened condensed milk. And now our vanilla extract. And we are mixing it in to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now we're adding in our eggs, one at a time. Here we're adding our last egg, and we're going to let this continue to beat for another couple of minutes, and then we're going to move to our next step. Now it's time to add in our dry ingredients. We're going to add a spoon at a time, and making sure each spoon is well incorporated before we add another spoon. And we will mix this until everything is well incorporated, okay? We're going to mix this for a few more seconds, and then we're going to move to our next step because we don't want to overbeat our batter, okay? Now it's time for us to spray our pan. This is the best spray that I use because it's mixed with flour. So, but use what you prefer to use, okay? But I'm going to spray this down well, and then we're going to move to our next step. Okay, we have sprayed our pan. Now it's time to pour in our batter. Okay, this is the last of our batter. Now this is what I do. I tap my pan on a hard surface to release the bubbles in my batter. Next, we're going to place our pan in a 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. If you're not for sure if your cake is completely baked, insert a toothpick in the center, and if the toothpick comes out with batter still on it, it's not ready. But if it comes out clean, it's ready to be removed from the oven. If there's still batter on it, let it bake for another 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to be back with our next step. Okay, our cake is ready, y'all. And we're going to let this cool for 15 minutes. And then we're going to place it onto a plate. Y'all, my birthday cake smells so good, y'all. I wish you can smell it. Like I said, we're going to let this cool for 15 minutes in the pan, and then we're going to place it on a plate. Okay, we're going to be right back. Okay, our cake has cooled in the pan, and now we're going to place it onto a plate. In our bowl, we're adding 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm using a 2-cup measuring cup. Here I'm showing you 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to melt this in the microwave and add it to our powdered sugar.
For icing. We're going to mix this until it's...
Here we're adding in lemon juice. I'm using the concentrated, but if you want to, you can use the real. Sometimes I use it and sometimes I don't. Now it's time to mix this well until it becomes smooth. I miss cooking with y'all so much, y'all. I want y'all to do me a favor. I want to see 10,000 likes. That's a lot. I'm just going to say I want as many as I can to encourage me to keep cooking. Okay? We're going to continue to mix this until it becomes smooth. And then we're going to be right back. Okay, this is what we're looking for. Now we're going to move to our next step. Here we're drizzling on our icing. Y'all, this icing is so good. This is my favorite icing. There is no proper way of doing this. Just do this best as you can, and it will drizzle, where it may. I've been missing you all so much, and I just want to let y'all know that I still love you, and I'm going to post when I can, and I'm trying to get this together, but one day we will. So, I'm about to leave. My family is taking me out for a lunch for my birthday, and so I will see y'all soon. I hope y'all enjoyed baking with me as much as I always enjoy baking with you all. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with MsBrendaDee. So welcome from MsBrendaDee and our family.
That's a hit!